Hello everyone, you're welcome. I'm David. I'll be showing you how to add any link to your YouTube channel. Okay, now the first thing I want you to understand is that before you can be able to add any link to your YouTube channel, you have to rest assured that you've opted in for the advanced feature. Okay, now before you can opt in for the advanced feature is to, if you're a new YouTuber and you want to add any link, ensure that you try to post any your first video. After posting your first video, just go to your comment section and try to insert a link. When you try to insert that link, they will direct you to a new page where you can go and do your to register your advanced feature. And to register your advanced feature, you have to have either you can decide to use either your national ID card, or you can decide to use snap your face and upload. Then after 24 hours it will be verified. Okay, but here in this video I'm showing you how to link your group link or any link, your external link you have to your channel. Okay, so if you want me to drop a video on how to go about the other advanced feature that I talked about just few minutes ago, you can let me know in the description of this video and I'll do that. So let's get started on what you have today. So the first thing you have to do is to head over here. Now I want you to understand that you can't use this particular YouTube app to link any channel or any external link, but you are going to be making use of this YouTube Studio, because this YouTube Studio is what you can use. It's the only thing that only app you can use to link your YouTube, to link any external link. Okay, so let's head over here. If you don't have this app, you have to download it from Play Store or your Apple Store. Then you click over it, register, and click on it. Let's head over it. Now this is the page. You now head over here, click on it. We'll now head over here, click on it. We will head over to links section. Head over to links section, click on it, and now these are the various links you can have. So whenever you click on that link, now that is when you can add your link. Okay, that's when you can add any form of link that you want to add. Now these are the various links that I've added so far in the past, but if you head over here, you can now see that you can see this add button over here. This add button over here, now if you click on it, now it will load up this page for you to add your link. Okay, so you just select any title of your link, or if it's your WhatsApp group, you just select any name you want it to bear, and then you go to your WhatsApp and copy that link address and paste it here. After pasting it here, now this button will be highlighted. Okay, this button will be highlighted black. Now you click on that dot. After clicking on done, everything will be set for you, and then you can now go ahead with your linking and with other things that you'll be doing. Okay, now whosoever, after linking your channel, whosoever wants to have access or getting in touch with you can easily head over there and do the needful. Okay, now can you like and subscribe to this channel if you find this content useful? See you in the next video.